Hello, algebra students. Today I want to talk to you about how to find the slope of a line. What is the slope of a line? The slope of a line is one attribute of a line. It tells us how steep the line is. And we can find the slope even though a line has infinite points on it. If we just know 2 points, any 2 points will do, excuse me, we can compare them and figure out the slope of that line. And we do that by looking at the vertical change over the horizontal change, rise over run. So we compare the y's of the 2 points, then we compare the x's of the 2 points. In general, when a line rises from the left to right, it's got a positive slope. When it leans back, it's got a negative slope. And for a horizontal line, the slope is 0 for a horizontal line. And when you have a vertical line, it's an undefined slope, and I'm going to be talking about the difference in a minute. But first, let's practice finding the slope in general. So here are 2 points on a line. Let's find the slope of the line that these 2 points sit on. We start by comparing the y values to figure out the vertical change or the rise, and then for the denominator, we compare the x values to figure out what's the horizontal change for the run. If we start here for the y's, 8 minus 12, then we also have to start here for the x's, 2 minus 4. And then we can simplify negative divided by negative is a positive. So now you practice the next 2 examples and press play when you've got your answer to compare. So the slope is rise, change in my y values, over run, change in my x values. Negative 5 minus 2 over 3 minus 1. Rise is change in vertical, change in the y's. 7 minus 4. Run is change in the x's. Negative 3 minus a minus 2. Minus a minus becomes a plus. And so my final result is 3 over negative 1. Now, what's the difference between the number 0 and an undefined number? Let's do a quick review of that. This fraction is 0 divided by 3. And that's something we can actually do. 0 divided by 3, there is a number that will fit. 0 times 3 gives me 0, add them, 0 remainder, it works. So if you have 0 in the numerator, that's just the number 0, which is a legitimate number. On the other hand, if you have 3 divided by 0, that's not defined because there's no number in the world that we could multiply 0 by and get back to 3. So that is not a defined number. So pause the video and on your own paper find the slope of the line that passes through these 2 points in each 2 separate problems. And then press play for the solution. So rise, we'll compare our y values for the numerator. Run, compare our x values for the denominator. And we get 0 in the numerator, which is the number 0. On the other hand, down here, we have 0 in the denominator, and so that's an undefined slope for the line that goes through these 2 points. So the line that goes through these 2 points must be a vertical line with this slope, and the line that goes through these 2 points with this slope is a horizontal line with a slope 0. And that is it for slopes of lines. So I'll leave you with this cute kitten and wish you a great day.